Hello traders, the fast way to deposit and withdraw is quite simple. But keep in mind that if you are new in the forex market and you want to deposit or withdraw, what you have to know is that you cannot and you will never, I don't know in the coming future, but you can't use the MT4 as a way of depositing and withdrawing. You cannot use the MT5 again as a way of depositing and withdrawing. So what you have to do, number one, the broker that you will be using, because for me, I won't be showing you any broker. I don't want to promote any broker. I want you to go find a broker that is suitable for you and you alone. So go and make sure that you go and search it, make sure that it's regulated and you are well comfortable with it. So what you have to do, the first step is search the broker on Chrome or Google. Make it a point that when you search there, you'll be specific on the type of broker that you're using. Search the deposit method, which is the first one. You search the deposit method, which is the first one. And when you're done, they will show you either the website or they will show you the guide, what's happening. So you go in there, go to the website, log in, put your details, log in, where they talk about finance, funding, whatever they talk about, for as long as it is including money, you go there. And when you go there, you click depositing part and withdrawing part. So number two, the important or tricky one is this one. When you want to deposit, it's simple. You have to use the same card, and you have maybe like you are using PayPal or other service which you can use for depositing and withdrawing. So make it a point that at least for when you're depositing using the debit card or means a Visa card, what you have to do or what you have to know about it is that on your back of the card there are 3 digits which they are very important when it comes to depositing. So they will want those ones, and you believe you know them. We can again Google them, search them. Simple. And lastly, you choose the option that you want to use. Either you want to use Visa, or you want to use MasterCard, or you want to use PayPal, Skrill, all those companies which they can be able to transfer your money to your broker, transfer your money from a broker to your account to your bank account. So it's simple like that. And once you're done, you're done. If you still face some problems or trouble, please leave a comment in the section below. Let me show you other payment option that it can be used, the one that I am using. So I believe you are well aware that we have PayPal and again we have Skrill. So it's quite simple. I'm currently using these companies to withdraw my money from brokers to my bank account. So it's quite simple, but there are some charges that they are there. So again, you have to know that when you withdraw, you have to wait for some certain days, and then that's all. I believe you understand, and God bless you and stay blessed.